How to speed up your Windows 11 performance. Hello everyone and welcome back. On today's video, we'll be discussing some of such simple methods or solutions by which you can speed up your Windows 11 performance. So the first one is by the disk cleanup. In order to do so, you have to press in Windows plus R to open the Run tab and type in clean mgr and hit the OK button. It will first calculate all of your spaces taken in the disk, and then you have to choose the files that you want to delete. Make sure to tick on all of such options of temporary files and then click on OK. Likewise, for the next step, you have to clean up temporary files. For that as well, follow the same step. First of all, press Windows plus R key to open Run tab, then type in temp. Now what you can do is click Ctrl plus A to select all and Shift plus Delete to delete all the remaining files. Once this is done, you have to follow the steps again, but this time you have to type in %temp% and hit OK. Again, Ctrl Alt to select all the temporary files and then hit the Shift plus Delete to permanently delete such files. Likewise, once this is done, move on to the third step. For this, you can disable the temporary or the unused applications. For this, right-click anywhere on your taskbar and then type in Task Manager. It will ask for permission, click on Yes. Once the Task Manager is opened, from the left side panel, go to Startup Apps. Here, you will see the list of applications that can be enabled during the startup. What you can do is you can disable all the applications that are not used often. In order to do so, right-click on it and then tap on Disable and you're good to go. Likewise, for the fourth step, what you can do is now you can disable the app permissions for those applications that are not used. This can be done by going to the settings. You can also disable all of such visual displays and additional requirements in order to enhance the performance. Likewise, make sure to install virus scanners and malware scanners such as Malwarebytes, which can be found easily on any of the browser. Download it and scan it in order to know for any virus or threat protection. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.